Dean here with I Buy Cool Stuff. So we're going to shoot the SVT40 today. We did a video with it in the Mosin Nagant sniper rifle, and the comment said you wanted to see the SVT40 shot. So subscribe, like, comment on any of my videos. If you've got a gun you want to see me shoot, if I own it, we'll bring it up and shoot it. And I've got well over 100. So, and then my brother's got 100 more. So chances are good we can bring it out and shoot it. If it's a World War II type weapon, real good chance we have it. So comment what you'd like to see us shoot. We've got full autos even. Just tell me what you want to see in the videos. So anyhow, all right, so we're going to go over the SVT just for a second, and then we're going to get into shooting it. So this is the SVT40. It was a World War II Russian rifle. This one here is a Tula, 1941 it looks like. It's all matching numbers, except for the magazine. But everything else matches. It has the early muzzle brake. It does not have the bolt is not plumbed, which most of them are plumbed. There are no import marks. I shot it a couple shots earlier, and that's where I have to have the sight to hit on. We're shooting about 100 yards today. So, just a nice old rifle. World War II. They've got such a... The grip is just so unique. It's very... I don't know. I for lack of a better definition, it's just so feminine feeling. It feels like a woman's leg, the shape of it and stuff to me. So this is the safety, so we'll flip the safety on. That's right here. And I'm going to load 10 shots in the magazine and we'll get to shooting it. All right, so we're going to put 10 shells in this old girl. And then we're going to shoot her. So it loads like any typical military rifle, nothing special. Shoots the 7.62 by 54R. Ah, I guess the magazine only holds 9. I thought it held 10. Maybe it don't. Oh yeah, it does hold 10. Just had to fight it in there. So the magazine just pops in. Here's your mag release. Gonna flip the safety off. Well, we'll leave the safety on. Charge the gun. Gun's charged. Flip the safety off. And we're gonna shoot the 10-inch disc down here at 100 yards. Makes that disc dance. And that's 10 rounds. So that's 10 rounds with the SVT. I think I hit it every shot but once. I don't know why I missed it or how I missed it. But like I always tell you guys, subscribe, like, comment, and God bless you and God bless America.